Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another amazing video for you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Are you having a hard time reducing your expenses and saving your money? Do you feel like you spend more than you earn? A lot of people have a hard time saving money and you might be one of them. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to tell you about different tips and tricks you can use to save money. With that being said, let's get right to it. Figure out how much you spend. The first step to save money is to be aware of your expenditures. Some people keep on spending blindly without keeping a record of the money that they're spending, and before they know it, they run out of most of their savings. The most important thing that you need to do is keep a track of things that you spend your money on. Come up with a workable budget and then try to stick to it. Make a document or keep a record to your journal so you know how much you are spending on what. This way, your money won't just magically disappear. Differentiate between your wants and needs. How often do you get something just because it looks pretty, even though you never get the chance to use it? We often buy the things we don't need just because we think it would be nice to have them. And to be fair, that's completely fine. But doing this when you're already short on money will only cause you more financial problems. So it's better to know the difference you need and the things that you want. And once you've saved enough extra money, you can get that guitar that caught your eye 3 months ago. Say goodbye to debt. Debt is one of the leading reasons it is hard for people to save money. Monthly debt payments are the biggest money suck when it comes to saving. Debt robs you of your income. So it's about time you get rid of that debt. The fastest way to pay off debt is with the debt snowball method. In this method, you start by paying off your smallest debts and then you move towards the bigger ones. And soon, you're free from all the debt that you were stuck in before and can finally start to save extra money in your savings account. Cut short the grocery budget. Most people don't realize how much unnecessary money they are spending on groceries until they sit down and actually make a record of it. According to different surveys, if you're the average American family of 4 with 2 kids, 5 and under, you're probably spending around $928 bucks. Yikes. So, if you want to save money, start by cutting your grocery list short, and that would be a nice idea. It is so easy to walk to those market aisles and grab a packet of Doritos and Oreos from here and there, but the impact it has on your annual bill is greater than you think. And if you do that, you might even lose those extra pounds that don't seem to go away. You can also try online grocery shopping because it gives you several discount offers, and it is less likely for you to get distracted by a packet of your favorite cookies this way. Save money automatically. This process might be new for most people, but did you know that you can also save your money automatically? All those dollars you can save without even thinking about it? Well, how? Well, we're here to tell you. You can set up your bank account to automatically transfer funds from your checking account into a savings account every month. If that sounds scary to you, you can also set up your direct deposit to automatically transfer 10% of each paycheck into your savings account. This way, you won't even know that you're saving money and the amount in your savings account will just keep growing. How cool is that? Eat at home. Did you know that the average household spends about $3,526 on food outside of the home each year? That's $294 a month. Most people spend their earnings only by eating at an expensive restaurant. Buying lunch a few times a week may seem harmless at the moment, especially when your favorite restaurant is within walking distance from your office. But you can save quite a bit of money just by packing a lunch. Eating out with your family once in a while seems pretty okay, but when it becomes a routine, it affects your expenses a lot. Not only that, but a lot of times, you can buy a solid week's worth of groceries for the same price as 2 dinner meals out. Instead, prepare your food at home and watch your savings pile up month after month. That was all about today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Your feedback in the comment section will be appreciated as well. We'll see y'all in the next video.